Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we're diving into an exciting workflow tutorial that takes your creative projects to the next level. Whether you're looking to transform faces into stunning art styles or troubleshoot common issues, I've got you covered. Stick around to learn how to configure models and achieve flawless results with step-by-step guidance. Let's get started and make your workflow shine. In the workflow section, you can download the LTX model and the workflow. Once downloaded, the first step is to upload a workflow. Once the workflow is uploaded, you might notice that some nodes are missing. To resolve this, open the manager within ComfyUI and install the missing nodes. Simply click Install for each missing node to proceed. However, even after installing the missing nodes, you may encounter an import failed error. So, how do you fix this? The first thing to do is navigate to the ComfyUI Custom Nodes folder. Inside this folder, locate the PulID Flux Enhanced directory. At the top of this directory, open a terminal or command prompt. Right-click and write pip installer requirements.txt. Once this step is complete, another error may appear stating no model named InsightFace. This means you need to install the InsightFace model. So, how do you resolve this issue? Let's go step by step. First, check your Python version. In my case, I'm using Python 3.12. If your version is Python 3.11, you'll need to download the specific InsightFace file compatible with your Python version. I've already downloaded the file for Python 3.12. Once you've downloaded the appropriate file, copy it and paste it into your ComfyUI directory or the relevant folder for model files. Make sure to note the file's path. Next, navigate to your Python embedded folder. Open a terminal or command prompt in this folder and run the following command: python xmpip install and path which you copy. This will install the InsightFace model. After successfully installing InsightFace, restart ComfyUI to apply the changes. Once ComfyUI restarts, you should see that the PulID Flux Enhanced nodes are successfully installed and functioning as expected. And that's how you fix these errors and get everything up and running. If you encounter similar issues in the future, following these steps should help resolve them quickly. After that, choose the clip region and the Flux T5 double system. These components are essential for processing the input images and applying the style effectively. For the load VAE node, you must select a .save tensor. This file is responsible for encoding and decoding the visual data in your workflow. For the load CLIPVision node, choose slick.save tensor. I've included the download link for this file in a post so you can easily access it. Once you've downloaded slick.save tensor, save it in your ComfyUI clip region folder. For simplicity, I saved it as slick.save tensor. Next, you'll also need the Flux 1.2 model to proceed with the workflow. The Flux 1.2 model is a specialized tool trained specifically for style transfer tasks. It takes the essence of one image's style and applies it seamlessly to another image. You can download the Flux 1.2 model using the provided link. Once downloaded, save it in your ComfyUI Models Style Models folder. This ensures the model is accessible when running the workflow. After organizing your files, it's a good idea to switch your workflow to CPU mode if you encounter performance issues. This reduces the computational load, especially if you're working on a less powerful system. Now, let's get started with an actual example. First, upload an image. For this demonstration, I've uploaded a face that I want to apply a specific style to. Then, Upload a style image that represents the look you want to transfer. With both inputs ready, select your model and click Generate to process the images. Oh, here's the result. The workflow has generated an image that perfectly combines the style we uploaded with the face we selected. The style's characteristics are applied without losing the essence of the original face. Or the process works by merging the details of the face and the stylistic elements from the style image, creating a unified result. Look at how the face and style blend so seamlessly. It's really impressive. Let's move on to another example. This time, I uploaded a different style image while keeping the face consistent. The idea here is to test how well the system adapts to various styles. The generated result is an anime style image based on the style we uploaded. Notice how the face remains intact and the style elements are applied beautifully. Comparing the images, you can see how accurately the workflow has captured the look and feel of the style. In another test, I uploaded a piece of art featuring a woman holding an arrow. The goal here was to see if the workflow could replicate the art style while maintaining the face's details. The result is remarkable. The generated image includes both the arrow and a face that closely matches the one I uploaded. This demonstrates how flexible the workflow is in handling complex inputs. This approach allows you to take any face and apply any style to it, giving you endless possibilities for creative output. The workflow is highly versatile. For our next example, I uploaded an image of a woman holding a sword. The challenge here is to see if the system handles such specific elements while maintaining consistency in style and facial features. Okay, the result isn't perfect. The sword caused some issues, but the system still preserved the face and style accurately. This highlights how the workflow prioritizes face and style consistency even when dealing with challenging inputs. To improve results in such cases, upload an image where the face aligns more closely with the one you're working with. This can significantly enhance the quality of the generated output. Now, let's try one last example. For this example, I uploaded a Joker themed image of a woman. The workflow generated a stunning result, keeping the face consistent while applying the Joker style elements perfectly. It's amazing how accurately it recreates the desired style, especially for demanding tasks. And that's how you can use this workflow to generate styled images. It's a powerful tool that allows you to combine consistent facial features with any style you upload. The possibilities are virtually limitless. That's all for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth guides and creative ideas. See you in the next one.